Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Navigator A Nair. Here we will discuss about the radar plotting. How to find the CPA, TCPA, course, speed and aspect of the target vessel. Here on ship heading is 042 degree true and the speed is 15 knots. Target vessel at 0640 hours, the first bearing is 351 degree true and the range is 11 nautical miles. The second bearing at 0652 hours, the second bearing is 355 degree true and the range is 7.1 nautical miles. Let's start the plotting. This is a plotting sheet and this is the center of the plotting sheet. Also assume the own vessel in the center and is denoted by the C, and we will using the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 nautical miles. We will mention here the own ship and course and speed. Own ship course is 042 and the speed is 15 knots. Let's start the plotting. Always measure from the center. Always. The first bearing is 351 and 11. The range is 11 nautical miles. 351 and 11 nautical miles. It is denoted by O, and also mention the bearing time 0640, and will plot the second bearing. The second bearing is 355 and the range is 7.1 nautical miles. 355 and 7.1 nautical miles range. It is denoted by A, and here is also mentioned the bearing, second bearing time 0652. Draw a line from O to A and extend like this. Here we will draw a perpendicular line from C to OA line. And it is denoted by N. The distance from the C to N is called CPA. CPA, it means closest point of approach. We will measure from here to here. We will got 1.4 nautical mile. It means the CPA is 1.4 nautical miles. Now we will discuss about the TCPA. TCPA have the one formula, easy formula. TCPA from 0652 is equal to AN upon OA into plotting interval. AN, the distance from A to N, and OA, the distance from O to A, in multiply plotting interval. Plotting interval, it means the interval between the first bearing time and the second bearing time. The first bearing time is 0640 hours and the second one is 0652 hours. The interval between the two bearing, first or second bearing, is 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Put the value from here. AN. We will measure the distance from A to N. It is 7 nautical miles. 7. And OA, the distance from O to A, is 4. multiply by plotting interval. Plotting interval is 12. We will calculate this. 7 divided by 4 and multiply by 12 is 21. This 21 minutes will add the second bearing time. The second bearing time is 0652 plus 0021 minute is equal to 0713. It means the TCPA is 0713. The TCPA is equal to 0713. We will find the course and speed of the target vessel. We know the on ship heading and speed. So we will draw our ship on ship heading from A. Our ship heading is 042. And draw a line. I have the own vessel speed 15 knots, but it is in 1 hour. 15 knot cover in a 1 hour, but we required the 12 minutes because the first bearing, the time interval between the first bearing and second bearing is 12 minutes. So we will calculate in 12 minutes how many speed in 12 minutes. Then 15 divided by 60 and multiply by 12. We've got the 3 nautical miles. We will cut 3 nautical miles from O. And this is denoted by W. Now we will draw a line from W to A. The direction of W to A is a course of target vessel, and the distance from W to A is speed of target vessel. This line we will shift from the center so we can find the course of the target vessel. See, 1010 and 105, 106, 1110, 115, 116 and 117. It means the course, the target course, the target course is 117 degree. And let's find the speed of the target. We will measure from W to A. 3.5 in 12 minutes, but we require in 60 minutes. So we will calculate 3.5 divided by 12. We will got in 1 minute. And we require the 60 minutes, so we will multiply 60. We will got 17.5. It means the target target speed is 17.5 knots. Now we discuss about the aspect. Aspect means the vessel, the target vessel. How to see you? How to see it means the which side, port side or starboard side. Let's see. First we will take bearing of C from A. The bearing of A from C is 355. Actually we required to reverse bearing of A, so we will add 180 or minus 180, plus 180 or minus 180. 355 minus 180, 175. We will get reverse bearing of A is 175. We will find the course of the target, 117. The reverse bearing of A minus the course of the target is always minus, always. 175 minus 117. We got 058. Suppose the vessel, the target vessel is going like this, because we know that course 117 and we know the own course 042. This is my own vessel and this is a target vessel. C is going like this and C is going like this. The vessel, the target vessel C on starboard side. C is seeing on starboard side. So here 058, own ship lies on 058 on target starboard side. It means green side. The aspect at 0652 is 058 green. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe and give the thumbs up and share with friend. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.